Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm finally picking up this camera and doing a vlog. Oh my gosh, I feel like I've talked about this in another video not too long ago, but I just feel like I've been seriously slacking on YouTube, which I have, but I'm gonna be dead ass with you guys. Last week was such a rough week for me. I've been really sick this week. Like today was the first day I woke up and I'm like, okay, like I can actually get out of bed. This past week has just been very, very hard for me. I know on social media, it's just very easy to come off as everything is perfect and everything is okay. And I do my hair and makeup every day. Guys, this is literally the first day I put on makeup in like 8 days, which for me is a really long time. So I just didn't have the motivation to like get myself ready. I have just been in such a funk and feeling so sick. It's just been awful. So I'm actually starting this vlog super late. I usually start my vlogs during the day. But again, guys, I've just been working all day, so there was like no point in vlogging. So I'm just going to go ahead and start the vlog tonight and then also vlog into tomorrow as well. So I just finished a video. Mel and I took some photos for Instagram. So I am just going to finish editing a video so I can get it turned in. And then Mel and I are going to go see The Lion King, which I'm so excited about. I mean, it's been out for like a week now and I'm seeing so many tweets, so many stories about it. I'm like, we need to go see it. Lion King was one of my favorite movies growing up. I'm sure it's like every child's favorite movie, but I loved Lion King. So I'm really excited to go. And Mel and I really do love still going out to the movies. So I feel like now with like Fire Stick and Netflix, no one really goes to the movies anymore, but we genuinely love going to the movies. So I'm really excited about that. Eat some popcorn. Let me pull up my laptop. By the way, guys, I'm really feeling these curls. I just posted an Instagram photo, not a photo, but a story with my hair like this. And everybody's like, oh my God, your hair. And I'm like, I never curl my hair. I should start, huh? So I filmed this transformation video and this like really cute look. I even show you guys how I curled my hair. But see, lately I've been doing IGTVs as well. So I also have this IGTV edited. I'm gonna start doing them a lot more. I really like IGTV. I was super late to the game on starting it. I actually posted my first IGTV like only a few weeks ago. But I'm really into it. I think nobody really sits down and watches a full makeup tutorial anymore. Those days are just like long gone. Like people aren't really entertained by just watching a 20-minute makeup tutorial all like that. I mean, they are, but it's just like not the same as before. So I feel like doing IGTV tutorials, they're quick, to the point, 3 minutes long, you see the makeup, boom, done. So I personally like them. I like watching them a lot more. You just quickly see the video, screenshot some products that you like, and get on with your day. Of course, when I feel like vlogging, Mel has to turn on the washer. Or is it the dryer? Which one?
The washer.
So we are about to go to see Lion King. We've been trying to see this movie for how long now?
Since it came out.
Right, like forever. So, what?
Forever.
Yes, forever. So we're actually about to go pick up Yasmin and Ponce because they're coming to go watch it with us. So we're gonna go pick them up and then see you guys at the movies. I'm excited. Mel's taking out the trash. Such a gentleman. Guys, Mel, you guys know I used to be addicted to Diet Coke. Mel's trying to get me out of the habit. Actually, I haven't had a Diet Coke in a long time.
Exactly, but you breaking it for what?
I'm craving one.
Use Coke to clean the acid off of your car battery. You can use Coke to clean rust off of metal. You putting that inside of your stomach?
So are you saying, but you drink lemonade, artificial lemonade, which is full of sugar, additives, all that jazz.
But if you pour lemonade over a rusted metal pot, it won't get the rust off of it.
But you guys know Danny, Miss Danny DMC, she told us how in elementary school they did an experiment of where they put 2 slabs of meat, they put one in Coke and then one in water. And then they let it sit in the classroom for like a week or two. How long? A week?
How long?
She said when they came back, the meat that was in the water was still there, but the meat that was in the Coke was completely disintegrated. So after hearing those stories, I'm like, okay, maybe...
But you still on a Diet Coke?
Okay, but you gotta admit, after I heard those stories, I did cut it out significantly. It used to be an everyday thing. Now it's like a once in every 2 weeks. Okay, the only time, even people on the set that I was in last week agreed, like a Diet Coke hits different when you're on set.
Oh, so you had one on set. So that was
That's
recently.
all they had to drink.
Oh.
That's all that there was to drink, or Aquafina.
But you didn't mention that though. You said you hadn't had one in a long time. You was just on set last week. Huh.
We picked the two charas up. Wait, where's... Oh my gosh, I thought Ponce was sitting that way first. I was like, where the fuck she go? Hi. Hello. You guys excited for the Lion King?
Yes. Let go.
Okay, let's go.
Step on it, Mel. We don't want to.
Hey guys, what's up? So it is the next day. It's pretty early in the morning. It's about 7 a.m. right now. So I just got up, did my hair and makeup, and now I'm about to head to set. Did I mention it earlier in the video? I think I did. I told you guys I was doing like this little film this weekend, this little short film. So yeah, I'm just headed to set right now. We're gonna be working from 7. My call time is 8, so I'm gonna be there from 8 in the morning till 9 o'clock at night. So it is a full day for me. So mentally preparing myself. You know, it's not like it's like a big budget film. I have a trailer to chill in and shit, you know. So, you know, you gotta put the work in, you gotta put the time in, and you know, big opportunities will be on the way. So I am just about to go. By the way, this red lip is fire. It is from MAC. It is so beautiful. Like, even makes my teeth look extra, extra white. I'm going to try to get the name. I don't know the name off the top of my head. I'm going to try to put the name on the screen or down below for you guys because this is probably the best red I've ever used. And the formula isn't drying at all. Like, it is perfect. And I curled my hair with my Foxy Bay curling iron. So I'm about to get my Uber because my car needs maintenance really bad. It's just not really safe to drive because my brake pads are out and my back wheels are really bad. So it's like... It's just safer to Uber. So when Mel gets back in town, he's going to go take my car to the mechanic. So yeah, I'm about to head there. And I don't know if I'll film. I won't film anything there for real. And by the time I get home, Mel will be back in town. So yeah, I'm excited to see him. I haven't seen him all weekend. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Hello, everyone. It is the next day. I don't even know if I'm gonna include the clip of yesterday and because I just talked to you guys in the morning, but you guys knew I was like on set all day. I literally came home at 6 and I was in bed by 7:30. Like I went to bed last night at 7:30 and I woke up this morning at 9. Right? What did you say I woke up at 9?
Greeting I got.
I know. Oh yeah, look who's back in town. My honey.
Came home to a silent house.
I know. I was asleep.
No kisses.
I remember you did come in my room and kiss me.
Yeah.
He did kiss me. I remember that.
I went in there, I was like this.
I woke up at 9, so I got like over 12 hours of sleep. And that was much needed. Like my body was honestly exhausted. I was so tired. I told you guys at the beginning of the video. I'm feeling really sick, really exhausted. So that was really, really needed. So anyways, today I'm actually headed to Windsor. I'm going to their headquarters and I don't have to burp. I'm fine. I'm going to Windsor's headquarters to pick out some outfits for something special that's coming up. So that's where we're going right now. It's a pretty far drive from us. It's about like 50 minutes, an hour away. So I want to stop at Starbucks before we go.
Can I get the chicken sausage and bacon biscuit with no bacon?
Yeah, certainly. Anything else for you? Maybe something to drink?
Get a bottle of water for it.
We have a special on our special shots.
I'll
Yeah, I had
do.
one. It's only 90 cents.
I'll do a bottle of water. What do you want, babe?
I wanted a bottle of water.
That's all you want is a
And
bottle
I
of water?
want my food. I want the smoked turkey and Swiss box.
And the smoked turkey and Swiss box.
So
Yeah, definitely.
And can we also add a cheese Danish as well?
Sure. Do you want the Danish warmed up?
I don't want
Yes,
Danish.
please.
Very cool. Anything else for you?
That's it.
That's it.
Very cool. Come on through. I'll see you at the end. Thank you.
Cheese Danish. They're so good.
The Baja black bean veggie wrap look good as fuck.
By the way, this cup is from Starbucks, y'all. I love it because it has like, I love this print. Here's my smoked turkey box. Comes with apples, carrots. And Mel got a, what is this one?
Chicken sausage and bacon, but no bacon.
I'm excited because they ordered us Middle Eastern food. just got home from Windsor and it was a pretty far drive, so Mel and I are really hungry. And I'm gonna be real with you, I haven't gone grocery shopping in like 2 weeks. Luckily, I had an order in from HelloFresh. I got 3 meals delivered to me today, which just made me so happy. You guys know I'm a huge fan of HelloFresh. All their ingredients come to you in these handy dandy little meal kits. They're just filled with pre-measured out ingredients, everything you're gonna need for all your recipes. And then also they send you recipe cards as well that has all of the steps written out for you, so it's super easy and simple to make your meal. So the one I chose to make, because I've been craving pasta, this is the penne rustica with a kick. So not only is it super convenient, it's also just a really cool way to get more experimental in the kitchen. I'm somebody who tends to make the same thing over and over, or like I swear every time I cook I just make some type of variation of like chicken and rice. So I love HelloFresh because it makes me experiment in the kitchen and try new things, and I also feel like it just makes you a better cook because you experiment with so many different flavors that now you know like what works with what. So even if you don't have a recipe card, like you're just a better cook. It's kind of like having your own little cooking class sent to you. See how everything comes to you like pre-measured out, pre-packaged? So that's also a great thing. I hate wasting food. I swear I hate wasting food. And when I go grocery shopping, I'll like buy so much more than I'll need, and then I'll just toss it all out at the end of the week. It's so wasteful. So that's another thing I love about HelloFresh. It's all just exactly what you need as well. So I decided to switch over to voiceover for the rest of this video. So I'm just chopping up the asparagus, and honestly I cut off way too much off the ends. I should have had way more asparagus, but I'm also chopping up the tomatoes as well. So I got the 4-person plan, but I ended up just cooking just for myself. So I just made just enough for me. So here I am chopping up the vegetables and chopping up the lemon as well. Guys, this recipe was so yummy and easy. Literally so simple. That's what I love about HelloFresh. Like, it's like minimal cleanup. You never need more than 2 pans, like 2 pots and pans to make your meal. And it's really great because they're super flexible. You can easily change your delivery date or food preferences. And if let's say you're out of town, you can easily skip a week whenever you need to. Another thing I love about HelloFresh is that there really is something for everyone. They have family recipes to calorie smart recipes as well as vegetarian. So once I finished toasting up all these toppings, I just went ahead and put them in a separate bowl and put them to the side before, this is just to top the meal. So I just put them to the side to cool down a little bit. And we're going to use this exact same pan for the veggies. So I first started out by tossing in the asparagus and just cooked them until they turned bright green. And then I ended up adding the tomato as well. So this also came with chives, but I forgot to put them in. Ugh, I'm so mad I forgot to put them in. But yeah, it also came with chives as well. So then I want you guys to listen to this sizzle. Just listen to how good this sounds, guys. The recipe called for salt and pepper, and then I also added this 21 seasoning salute from Trader Joe's myself, and then it also came with this roasted garlic herb butter. Oh my gosh, this was so good. And then with the Parmesan, it was so delicious. So if you guys want to try out HelloFresh for yourselves, you can use my code Nazanin80. You can get 8 free meals. That's $80 off your first month of HelloFresh. All you gotta do is go to HelloFresh.com and enter my code Nazanin80, and you guys can get a little discount. And HelloFresh is actually a lot more affordable than you think. You would think a meal prep delivery service would be really expensive, but it's actually just from $6.99 a serving. So I really recommend you guys check it out. I'll also put a link to it down below, and here is our finished product. Guys, I woke up this morning feeling like literal khara. I look like khara, feel like it. You guys, I told you at the beginning, I've been feeling sick, and today it just hit me again. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video off here, but if you guys look at the Instagram picture I just posted right now versus how I actually am right now, you're gonna be like, is this okay? This is okay. She's just feeling a little sick. So I am just going to rest. I really need to rest because tomorrow morning I have a photo shoot. So this whole day, it's already 3 in the afternoon. I have not left this bed other than to get up and use the bathroom and like grab food. That is it. So I'm just about to rest. Thank you guys so much for your support and watching this video. I know this video wasn't very eventful, and part of me was like, should I post it? Because it was pretty boring. But I mean, that's my real life. You know, not every day is perfect. Not every day is super eventful. And that's just how my days are. And whenever I tell you guys this, like, oh, I don't want to post this video because it's boring, you guys always say like you don't care, you just want to see me, which is so sweet. Like, I love you guys so much. So thank you guys so much for your support. I really appreciate it, and hopefully next video will be more eventful and I have more energy and I don't feel like shit. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.